Hi everyone for all. Today our topic is 8th standard science changes around us. It's useful for all competitive exams and also students. So come and see. Burning of paper is a dash change. It is a chemical change. Burning of a mastic is an example of chemical reaction used by contact in a physical state. Dash undergoes rusting. Iron is undergoes rusting. The pigment responsible for browning apple is dash melanin. Brine is a concentration solution of dash. Brine is a concentration solution of sodium chloride. Limestone contains dash mainly calcium carbonate. Which of the following factor induces electrolysis? Electricity. Haber process producing ammonia. Dash is used as a catalyst. Iron is used as a catalyst. Dissolved gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide in rainwater cause dash rain. Acid rain. Dissolved gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen rainwater causes acid rain. Dash are responsible for global warming. It is a carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon. Filling in the blanks. So photosynthesis is an chemical reaction that takes place in the presence of dash sunlight. Iron object undergoes rusting when exposed to dash and dash water and oxygen. Dash is a basic material for manufacture of urea. Ammonia is a basic material for manufacture of urea. Electrolysis of brine solution gives dash gas, chlorine and hydrogen. Dash is a chemical substance which alters the speed of chemical reaction. Catalyst. Dash is the enzyme responsible for browning of vegetables and fruits. Polyphenyl oxidase or trioside. It's a useful or competitive exam this question. So true or false? A chemical reaction is a temporary reaction. No, it is a permanent reaction. Decomposition of lead nitrate is an example of a chemical reaction. Can cause light. No, it causes heat. The formation of slackle lime from quicklime is an exothermic reaction. Yes, it is an exothermic reaction. CFC is a pollutant. Yes, it is a useful for all competitive exam. Chlorofluorocarbon is a pollutant carbon. Light energy may come out of the chemical reaction. True. Yes. Next, match the following: rusting, iron, electrolysis, brine, thermolysis, decomposition, food, photosynthesis, catalyst, Haber process. Spoilers, it is a food. Ozone, oxygen. Tarnishing is a chemical reaction. Yeast is a biocatalyst. Calcium oxide is a decomposition. So, define a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction, one or more reactants undergo reaction to form one or more new products. Reactants will give products. Mention the various conditions required for a chemical reaction. 1. Contact in physical state, solution reactants, electricity, heat, light, catalyst, acid. So many times in 2 marks question. Define catalyst. Chemical substance which is used to alter the speed of reaction is called catalyst and the process is called catalysis. What happened when an iron nail is placed in copper sulfate solution? When an iron nail is placed in a solution of copper sulfate, blue color of copper sulfate slowly change into green due to chemical reaction between iron and copper sulfate solution. What is pollution? There is an unwanted change in a physical, chemical and biological properties of the environment. This is termed as pollution. The substance which cause that change in called pollutants. What is tarnishing? Give examples. When exposed to atmospheric air, shiny metal surface and other articles lost their shining appearance due to chemical reactions on the surface. For example, silver articles become black when exposed to atmospheric air. It is asked in so many competitive exams. So what happened to brine during electrolysis? Concentrated solution of sodium chloride is called brine. During electrolysis, brine produces chlorine and hydrogen gas along the sodium hydroxide. On heating, calcium carbonate gives calcium oxide and oxygen, and it is an exothermic reaction or endothermic reaction. This is the reason heat is absorbed, so it is called endothermic reaction. What is the role of catalyst in chemical reaction? Chemical substances are used to speed up the chemical reaction. These substances are called catalyst. Why photosynthesis in a chemical reaction? Photosynthesis is a process in which light energy from sun is used by the plants to prepare starch from carbon dioxide and water. So it is a chemical reaction because the sunlight induces the chemical reaction between carbon dioxide and water, which finally ends up the production of the starch. Explain the environmental effect of chemical reaction: pollution, rusting and tarnishing. Pollution: our environment provides air to breathe, water to drink and land to produce food. Due to industrial process, the increasing number of automobile our environment in badly affect nowadays. So generally there are three types of pollutions: air and water pollutions. Enough types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution. So chemical substance: carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen, chlorofluorocarbon and methane. You form acid rain, global warming, respiratory problems. Water pollution: wastewater containing chemical substance like dyeing industries, detergents, oil spillage, decreasing in the quality of water, skin disease. Fertilizer, land pollution: fertilizers like urea, various pesticides, herbicides, solid waste, plastic, spoilers of land, cancer, respiratory disease. Rusting is most important question asked in many times in examination. When an iron metal come to contact with water and oxygen undergoes a chemical reaction is called rusting. Tarnishing of a articles: shiny metal surface and other articles lose their shining appearance due to chemical reaction is the surface of the phone. Explain the food items spoiled by chemical reaction. Spoilage of food and vegetables. The food spoilage may be defined as the change causes food unfit human composition. The chemical reaction catalyst by enzyme result in the degradation of food quality in the form development, land, bad taste or odor, deterioration or loss of the saturation, rotten egg, hydrogen sulfide gas, decaying vegetable and fruits or microbes. Thank you for all.